talk to you guys today about how I always get my foundation and BB creams, concealers, anything I use to stay on my skin perfectly. I just started doing this when I do my makeup for all of my dance competitions, and I started doing it every day too because I realized that even with all the sweat and everything from dancing, that my makeup didn't even budge and it just stayed flawlessly the whole night. So I like to use the Kylie Cosmetics. This is the setting spray, so I like to spray this all over. Once I let this dry, I apply the Purlisse BB cream. Now this is the Perfect Glow BB cream SPF 30. I find that this is literally the most flawless finish, and it's actually really full coverage for a BB cream. This is the shade Light, so I'm gonna put it on. Let's do it. I stopped halfway through applying the BB cream because I wanted to show you the difference. So this side has the BB cream on it and this side does not. So you can see right away that there is a very clear difference in the redness, especially of my skin. And even it helped to lighten up some of the under eye circles. Let's keep going. For my brows, I like to use this universal colored pencil. The brush, it's from Billion Dollar Brows, so we're just gonna brush them out first and then we're gonna start to fill them in. Here is the Naked Cherry Palette by Urban Decay. A friend gave this to me as a Christmas gift one year, and honestly this is like so exciting. I love this palette. So we're gonna use the colors. I think we're gonna use Hotspot, Caution, and Feels. Maybe we'll put a little sparkle in there too. We'll see. Here we go. I'm going to apply Hotspot all over the lid and under the brow bone because it's such a bright color. So I'm just gonna apply that first just to lighten everything up. Next up, I'm going to apply Caution. So Caution's a little bit more of like a natural light brown color. We're gonna apply that one more to the outer part in the crease. Now I'm gonna take this color Feels. It's almost like a mauve kind of berry color, and I'm actually just gonna apply it closer to my lash line here. Now for a little shimmer, I'm gonna take the shade Turn On. I'm gonna apply that on the inner lid here. Next up, we are going to do some contour and some highlight. So for contouring, I like to use the lightest shade in the Cocoa Contour by Too Faced, and then to brighten up, I like to use the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. Here we go. And so far, just to show you the difference, I contoured this side with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour, and I haven't done that side yet. So let's even it out. And to brighten, I'm going to use the shade Ivory by Kylie Cosmetics. We're gonna set all of this again, so little spritz there with the Kylie Cosmetics setting spray. And while I finish my eyes, I'm just gonna leave some of this Smashbox setting powder just a lot under my eyes, and then we'll brush away the extra afterwards. I'll also set the forehead. I tend to get oily there, so I like to put extra there, little on the nose, and then my chin. And we will finish up with one of my all-time favorite mascaras. This is by Lily Lashes. This is the Triple X Mascara. I don't even feel like I have to put fake lashes on when I use this mascara, honestly. I mean, look at the difference between one eye and the other. That's crazy. There's a huge difference between one eye and the other just with this mascara. One of my all-time favorite lip colors, this is from the Kylie Cosmetics Kendall collection. So this is the Sister Sister lip blush with the matching lip liner. I mean, I just love this color. It's so natural, but it has such a pretty glam to it. is the finished makeup look. I am going to dive into this crazy hair next. Here we go.